dog leash. Oh, this one is a little bit longer and wider, so it worked out a lot better. Plus the clasp is a little bit more heavy duty for what we need it for. What we're calling double washers. We actually only need 2 of them, but this is the least amount we could get. So you're gonna have a bunch of extra ones of those. I don't know what you want to do with them. Toolbox will go underneath the drawer. I'll set it up for you and show you how that works. But there's 3 of them. The tie wraps will tie the toolboxes together, and then we'll store the tie wraps inside the toolbox because you can't ever have too many tie wraps. This is an eye bolt. I think we got 5 or 6 of them, and we only need 1. But they do come with the nuts. And then the washer, we only need 1 washer. But it'll go on the bottom of the eye bolt. The deck screws, which we'll need to put the drawer together. Allen wrench. The Allen wrenches are dual purpose. They lock the drawer in place, and we can use them as a bike holder. So that's why we got 2 of them. We need the spade bit to drill out the handle hole. Basically, they're foam pads. We use them on the drawer. This is kind of like what crushes when we close the drawer. So we want to, so we'll be gluing these on. So we only need 2. This is the least amount we could buy. For the cheapest. Gorilla Glue, we use that to glue the foam pad on. These are the magnets. There's 2 of them, and they come with an adhesive that you can put on there. What we're finding out is that the Allen wrench that this is used to kind of secure the Allen wrench. The Allen wrench is steel also, and the tendency was that the Allen wrench would pull the magnet right off the truck, so that little bit of adhesive will help. And then finally, these are the wood screws that work with the fender washers that we have that are going to screw down the dog leash. And basically you want to make sure that the head of it can't go through, so that worked out perfect. And then you want them 1.25 inches so they won't go all the way through the wood.